जय शिव शंभु आपण मैंने भी जानतु तो एमती किसी
ठीक है
पूरा वीडियो कर मना कला
Over 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When his ecstasy allowed him some movement, he danced wildly. When intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adiyogi. When his stillness lasted for years on end, curious onlookers melted away. Only 7 seekers remained, as they could not tear themselves away from him.
ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା, ଯଦି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା କମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ।